Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I just ordered a dress online on Flipkart and just want to do a video on. Many people ask me like something like, how is the cloth quality? Means look and feel it's okay. By looking at the picture, we can get to know. See here, this is on Flipkart. I just received that. This is a dress. Uh, if I want to comment on how is the quality of the product, what I have seen before purchasing this, means by looking at the picture on Flipkart, and now most of the cases the dress material will be good. There will be some rare cases where we may not be satisfied according to the uh, final product what we receive, basically due to the cloth. And here the cloth is pretty good, means at least it is up to my expectation. The cloth is decently good. I don't know how it would be after like 2 to 3 washes, but right now it is well and good. So yeah, maybe I can do another video once it is being washed. As far as the first feel, the quality of the dress is good. And please do comment how often do you shop online, especially for dressing purpose, clothing purpose. Yeah, please do comment so that it will be helpful for me.